And well, you guys are going to laugh because, oh yeah, I'm indicating but can't take my left leg off the clutch. In first and second gear, which is 1 and 2. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we are back again with the legendary Lotus Exige S, the car that Jörg brought to us just over a year ago to drive the supercharged V6 Exige S. One of the coolest cars I've ever driven. The sounds are insane, it drives so well, it handles so nicely, and I don't really fit in it, which adds to the experience, of course. Now today we are here because in that review I told you about the gearbox, which was horrible. It was like canted to the right, so every shift you made you had to be like at an angle. It was really bad, and Jörg thought so as well. So he thought about installing a sequential gearbox in this car, but that's just a bit too extreme. So he went for an Alitech Lotus shifter, an upgraded shifter, and it is glorious. And that is why we're driving it today. I'm not going to cover everything again on this car. If you want to see the video we made earlier, you can check out the video in the top right corner, where we go in depth in this car and all the changes that Jörg has made. But today I'm going to walk around it quickly, mention a couple of things here and there, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. All right, so we've got a Exige S Comotech supercharged, stock power 350 horsepower, 400 Newton meters. I forgot I shouldn't stand with this car because it looks like a toy. 350 horsepower, 400 Newton meters. Now 460 horsepower, 480 Newton meters of torque. So it is quite a big bump. We've got some beautiful black Lotus wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. So they are basically semi-slicks for the street. We really have to get some heat in there. I hope we are able to, because as you can see, it's still a bit damp. 17-inch at the front, 18-inch at the rear. We've got AP racing brakes. We've got Öhlins dampers. We've got a beautiful Comotech rear wing, carbon fiber. You can see the supercharger right there, carbon air box as well, and a custom-made bracket for the intercooler. Beautiful rear end. I absolutely love this rear end. It's so racy. And well, you guys are going to laugh because when I say I don't fit in this car, that was true last time. But it has only gotten worse, because the shifter is a bit more to the left and a bit higher up. So now I'll show you guys. Oh, we have to press that button first. So now this is first gear. This is my leg, the steering wheel, the shifter. You can see it's like lodged in there. Even worse when you put it in reverse. I can't move it at all. So in first and second gear, which is 1 and 2, we're just going to have to be a little bit careful and take it easy, because this is just not safe. In third and fourth, fifth and sixth, it's absolutely fine. It's just first and second, which is a bit tricky, but holy moly, check out that shifter. I think I should have stayed out of the car to show you properly how cool this looks. Oh my god! All right, there we go. So as I said, an Alitech shifter. Now they've stopped making these for Lotus cars because the demand was just too low, but man, does that look good. And you can get this in all colors you want. I mean, you can go for, Jörg told me that some guys have like light blue or pink. This looks really sick. And the feeling of the shift is like a bolt action rifle. You really have to put some weight in there, some strength to shift. There's a nice weight to it. Yeah, this is really sick. Really love that. Okay, let's take it for a drive. Oh, I remember this one. Such a cool car. All right, I hope my angle is okay. Oh, I'm already hitting my leg with my hands. All right, here we go. Oh, that supercharger is so insane. Okay, we're going to have to hit the tunnel. Oh, it is very, very nice. Oh man, that supercharger is really sick. Oh, and the shifter is, oh, you can see that my leg is absolutely cramped right now. Oh, but the shift is so much better. Last time you had to like guess basically where your next gear was, and it was not nice because the car is quite aggressive. You don't want that. You don't want to be able to shift wrong. In a car like this, which is so like precise. And now it's just exactly where it's supposed to be. It is laser aligned by the guys at Comotech, and it just feels like this is the gearbox that's supposed to be in this car. Yeah, this is really, really, really good. Oh, what an improvement. It's just, I'm too tall. I'm too tall for this car. I wish it was just like 10 or 20 centimeters less. That's what she said. And you can shift it quite quickly. Woo! Oh, another thing, I can't use the indicators because my left leg immediately turns it off again. Oh, yeah, Lotus, absolutely love it, the Exige, but it's not made for people like me. I feel like a giant. Oh, that shift action is so good. Brakes are really good as well. Oh, did you hear that exhaust? All right. Oh. All right, so let's take it to the Autobahn where we can shift a little bit more and get it to that red line of like 7,200 RPM. Oh, yeah, I'm indicating, but can't take my left leg off the clutch at the same time. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Speedo cam. Is running. Here we go. We've got shift lights. Because when you're at that speed and at those RPMs, you really don't want to do it wrong, and it just makes you a little bit more careful. But man, I I forgot how intense this thing is at high speeds. Oh, that'll get the juices flowing. I really wish I was a bit shorter, because it is it's really not that safe for me to be driving this car this fast and trying to shift quickly and trying to flip the throttle. Oh, such a good car. Oh man, it is really intense though. You can feel it in your arms immediately. It's so much more heavy than a regular car. Oh, such a cool sound. Everything is so direct. The throttle response, the braking, the shifts now as well are, I mean, it's really hard to find any fault with this. This shifter is absolutely perfect. So if anyone is watching who has a Lotus, this is what you want. Really big improvement. Jörg, thank you for taking your car to us again. It is such a big improvement, and I absolutely love your car. It's just, yeah, I can't really do anything about this. It's just a bit too sketchy for me to drive it any harder or faster than this. Let alone drive it on a track. I don't think I would be able to. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video or go check out this playlist. Thanks, bye.